Welcome, my dear friends, this new topic. And today's topic is the processor directive. The processor directive is the one of the directions is given to the compiler and how that the source file should be compiled. The way by which the source file is compiled, that way it is given that processor directive. They are like sudo OPS in ALP, which is very useful for selecting the processor, or which is used for selecting the controller for the particular specific code for the different target system. It starts with the symbol of hash and end with the symbol of invert. For example, the examples of the process directive is given here. Hash include stdio, hash include stdio.h, hash define etc. They are grouped into three categories: file inclusion processor directive, compile control processor directive, and macro substitution processor directive. We will see one by one first. That is a file inclusion processor directive. They define the external files containing macro definition, function declaration, and constant declaration, etc. Hash include is used for the file inclusion. File inclusion processor directive, they include the external file containing the macro definition, function declaration, and constant definition. And hash include is used for the file inclusion also. Then second is the compile control processor preprocessor directive. They are used for controlling the compile access process, such as keeping the file access of a portion of code. Hash define, hash if define, etc. Hash if define arg, it uses a name as argument and return a true if the name is already defined. For example, hash define debug1, hash add if define debug, printf debug is already defined, as in is like this. And the third one is macro substitution preprocess directive. The macro are the portable inline code snippets. Unlike the functions which are written once, code for the macro is placed at the place where it is called. When the function is called, argument are passed and the result is received. When a macro is called, the complete code for macro is copied in the calling program. The hash define is used for the coding macros. For example, the hash define a of 12 plus 25, hash define area underscore circle a is 3.1488. If the source program contains the statement area circles, it is replaced by area 13.44 in between. Then constant declaration in embedded C. Then constant declaration in embedded C, it is referred to declaring the variable having a constant value which cannot be changed throughout the program, which cannot be changed, that is called as the constant. The qualifier constant is used along with the variable name. The following are the different types of constant variables used in embedded C. That constant data type variables name, or data type constant variable name. For example, the constant float pi is equal to 3.14, or the float constant pi is 13.1, which is called as a constant data. This is called a constant data of that. Second one is pointer to constant data. It is pointer to the constant data. It is a pointer to the data which cannot be modified. For example, constant integer x or integer constant x. The third one is constant pointer to data. It is a pointer to fixed memory location which is unchanged. For example, the character constant x is also unchanged. And the fourth one is constant pointer to constant data. It is constant pointer to the constant data. Both the pointer and the variable x do not change the value. For example, the constant character constant x. So these are the different pointer to constant data which is used normally for the constant variable. That is pointer to constant data, constant pointer to data, and constant pointer to constant data. These are all the different constant data types. Thank you very much.